I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both devices and enabling iPhone Bluetooth. Put the AirPods or JBL earbuds into pairing mode. Open the case or press the pairing button until LED flashes. On your iPhone, go to Settings, tap Bluetooth and stay on that screen so the device can scan. Keep the earbuds within 1 to 2 feet. Proximity matters for discovery. Once the accessory appears under other devices, do not tap anything else yet. Remain ready for the next confirmation step. Now you select the device from the iPhone scan results and confirm pairing. Tap the listed AirPods or JBL model name. The phone sends a connection request, and you may see a pop-up asking to pair. If a PIN is requested, try 0000 or 1234, but most modern earbuds pair without one. Once you tap pair, watch the status change to connected. Make sure media audio and call audio are enabled for the accessory so everything routes correctly. Finish by verifying audio and adjusting settings. Play a track and use Control Center to select the earbuds as output. Check microphone and call functions if needed. If pairing failed, reset the earbuds by holding the pairing button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear prior connections, then retry the process. Also restart your iPhone or toggle Bluetooth off and on to clear temporary glitches. If it still fails, move to a different room to avoid interference and repeat the full pairing steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.